Next is question number 8, case study method in legal research subject. So the introduction says that case studies vital for law, enhances understanding of judicial reasoning, bridges legal theory and practice, develops analytical and research oriented mindset, promotes active learning in education, provides insights into legal precedents, strengthens problem solving legal skills, improves legal reasoning and logic, encourages context based legal interpretation, focuses on multidisciplinary legal integration, encourages critical examination of judgments, prepares students for professional practice, um, promotes collaborative learning and decisions, facilitates understanding of procedural systems, helps identify patterns and judgments, advances ethical consideration in law, simulates courtroom scenarios, effectively encourages evaluation of societal implications, inculcates research oriented legal approach, supports professional legal education development. Types of case studies: descriptive case studies provides detailed facts and judgments, focuses on judicial case procedures, analyzes legal principles applied therein, highlights procedural law interpretations, explores historical development of precedents, builds understanding of judiciary processes, focuses on legal statute application, explains interpretation of specific provisions, contextualizes societal impact of verdicts, encourages systematic legal case analysis, examines reasoning for legal conclusions, highlights legislative, executive, judicial interplay, advances understanding of statutory ambiguities, facilitates learning of case chronology, encourages judgment reading in detail, builds insights into constitutional law, illustrates judgments, interpretation of rights, examines evolution, legal jurisprudence, themes, helps connect precedents with outcomes, strengthens focus on practical applicability. Example: Kesavananda Bharati versus Kerala State explored constitutional amendments, principles application, landmark ruling on basic structure doctrine, reinforced balance between amendment powers, strengthened judiciary's constitutional guardian role, focused on Article 368 interpretations, emphasized judicial review for amendments, broadened principles of Indian constitutionality, established framework for future legislations, encouraged deeper legal principles exploration, detailed procedural analysis for education, evaluated states' legislative limitations effectively, highlighted implications on fundamental rights, explored federal structures, judicial role, fostered respect for judicial boundaries, advocated equilibrium within governmental powers, contributed extensively to legal methodologies, offered substantial materials for case studies, influenced global judicial constitutional studies, set precedent for constitution interpretation. Relevant case law: Keshavananda Bharati versus Kerala State Supreme Court landmark ruling judgment established basic structure doctrine, principle address fundamental constitutional amendment limitations, empowered judiciaries checks and balances, upheld Article 368 judicial review rights, broadened scope of constitutional governance, influenced legal methodology comprehensively worldwide, showcased practical application of theory, emphasized importance of fundamental principles, underlined significance of judicial independence, impacted legislative enactments, Judicial scrutiny strengthened judiciary role in democracy, highlighted federalism principles under scrutiny, integrated balance between state-centered authority, revolutionized approach towards constitutionality issues, sparked academic discourse on case methodologies, made significant contribution to jurisprudence, stands as legal education cornerstone, reinforces necessity of judicial restraint. Exploratory case studies examines new or untested concepts, analyzes unconventional legal applications effectively, explores innovative judicial decisions contexts, encourages detailed studies of anomalies, promotes creative interpretations and findings, aims at broadening jurisprudence boundaries, highlights legal gray areas, significantly tests under untried legal principles, interpretations, advances legal reasoning, adaptability for MLTs, enhances innovative problem solving, legal skills, connects societal innovation to legal applications, explores precedents for future challenges, effectively strengthens foundations for legal innovations, advances discussions for legal framework modernity, evaluates unexplored judicial precedent, evolution demonstrates adaptability to novel societal issues, encourages evaluation of legal anomalies, practically explores research oriented constitutional gaps, actively examines ethical implications for future cases, builds framework for adaptive interpretations. Examples: Navtej Singh Johar versus UI address Section 377 IPC constitutionally legality, landmark for LGBTQ rights in India, recognized dignity, equality for minorities, advocated inclusivity in constitutional principles, addressed societal stigma through law interpretations, expanded Article 21 rights, jurisprudence scope, advanced understanding for privacy inclusions, extensively broadened legal framework for inclusivity, effectively highlighted judiciary's changing societal outlook, clearly examined sexual rights, humanist approach is contextually emphasized equality over traditional practices, thoroughly advanced adaptive judgment, constitutional interpretation scope, strengthened LGBTQ plus dignity via jurisprudence, foundations revolutionized societal transformation within judgments, innovatively sparked debate over moralities, legal relevance, reasonably significantly broadened research-oriented discussions, legally encouraged adoption of jurisprudence globally, practically validated importance of adaptive methodologies, immediately represented progressive societal reforms continuously globally. Relevant case law Navtej Singh Johar versus UI struck down Section 377 IPC partially, strengthened inclusivity within judiciary interpretations globally, addressed constitutional morality adoptions debates contextually, reinforced equality under Article 14 robustly, emphasized privacy within Article 21 inclusively, effectively, advanced LGBTQ plus jurisprudence worldwide dramatically, reasonably, provided cornerstone for progressive judgments, proactively, consistently, validated judicial progress, adaptation debates extensively, strengthened judiciary dynamicism, respecting diversity, elevated societal respect through dignified protections, extensively showcase principles broadening legal inclusivity, created advanced discussions over morality, interpretations, influenced policymakers, encouraged focus, inclusivity amid tradition defining judicial practices. Conclusion: case studies critical for understanding enables multiple dimension learning processes, promotes structured analysis of judgments, encourage innovation in legal research, bridge legal practice and theory seamlessly, builds ethical judicial considerations contextually, foster critical thinking, legal skills globally, enhance judicial reasoning, comprehensive, adaptively, advance understanding evolving societal needs contextually, enable informed legal decision making, foundations provide frameworks for legal innovation, strengthen adaptivity, jurisprudence, emphasize transformative legal framework, validate progress dynamics, global applications, connect societal concerns, advance respects for constitutional principles, revolutionize understanding dynamic societal inclusions, advocate for transformative legal judgments, represent cornerstones broader jurisprudence development globally, solidify, focus, adaptive legal innovation sustainably worldwide, fundamentally, ethically.